Hi, welcome to Johnny Works Tool School. Today I'm going to teach you about the Milwaukee M18 fuel grinder. It's battery operated, it's made by Milwaukee. It's got a bunch of specs on it. This one in particular comes with the grinder, the tool. Comes with 2 batteries. Comes with a charger for it, and it comes with a carrying case. Pretty good deal. I'll put the price down below. All right, so here we go. So for the battery pack, this is for a different little battery, okay? They make little screw guns. They have these different batteries. They fit in here, okay? This is the M12 charger, all right? It's a different type of battery. It looks different. We'll worry about that later. The big battery, okay? This is an this model right there, okay? What you're gonna do, pretty simple. You're gonna push this bad boy in until it grabs and holds and you can't pull it out. That light goes on, it'll tell you how to charge it, all right? To get it out, you're gonna squeeze these 2 tabs from this side at the same time, like this, like a pincer, like a crab. You'll be able to pull this thing out, okay? When your battery's fully charged, all these 4 lights will be charged up. Boop, 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 boop. All 4, okay? When it's down to 1 or blinking, you need to charge, all right? Simple enough. So that's charging, got another battery charging, okay? So, here's the tool, okay? This battery's dead, right? Pretty much got 1, but it's pretty much nothing. If you want to put it in, pretty simple. Lines up. When you hear the click, you're in. Take it out. Pulls out. Okay? Pull this lever up. Squeeze the paddle. There's your power, okay? Now, take this thing. You want to put the guard on? All right, so there's a little nub right there, okay? You can pull down, okay? And this thing's got holes, all right? You want to line it up. And line up your holes, okay? You're in, okay? Now, you're gonna take this grooved one, put that thing in, okay? Take my blade, it sits flat. Take this one, now, in order to make it tight, take the tool, okay? 2 teeth fit in the holes. Push the button. Okay, I want to spin this thing around. I push down. Okay. I have a handle. All right, so the standard size is either 4.5-inch grinder or a 5-inch grinder, okay? This one can use 4.5-inch wheels or 5-inch wheels, okay? Which is important when you go to buy a wheel, that you buy the right size, okay? This one is a 4.5. Okay, this is a grinding wheel and a fat. Okay, this one is also a 4.5. Okay, this is for DeWalt, but it still fits on there. Okay, that's a little thicker wheel. All right. All right, so it's also got this 2-guard system thing. Okay, this is to help with sparks and stuff like that. All right, this thing, little nubs, you just push them down and you can pull this thing off. All right, they recommend using them both if you can when you're using the 4.5-inch blade. Okay, locks in. Push the tab down and pull it. You can take it right off. Okay, or keep it on. I'm gonna keep it on. But it is plastic, so you can't attach it without the metal one under it anyway. So you can only use it on top of this one. All right. So this thing adjusts. Obviously, you can push this wheel down. And you can turn your guard depending which way you're cutting. Cutting in front of you, cutting down this way or this way. You want to direct the sparks, okay? Because a grinder is to cut metal, all right? Reason why you might need this as a homeowner could be a bunch of different things. It's a cool tool to have. Besides safety glasses, we also make face shields, okay? Those might run a little more. You're gonna use it more often if you're a metal artist or something like that, and I recommend a face shield, okay? Anything kicks back, not gonna take off your face, your nose, your eye. These wheels will break. If you hit certain things, they will chip. Pieces will come flying up sometimes. So when we use them at work, the guys always use a face shield if they're gonna use a grinder. And if they don't, they should use a face shield, okay? Cigar glasses. That is super hot. Do not grab that thing without gloves. And it's sharp because I just cut it with this, so it's sharp and hot. Don't touch.